Westminster Students' Union uses the alternative vote, also known as AV. So how does AV work? Let's say we have 5 candidates in our election for Students' Union President. When you vote in the election, you'll be asked to rank the candidates in order of preference. This means you need to put a number 1 by your favourite, a number 2 by your second choice, and so on. In every election, a candidate called reopen nominations, also known as RON, will run. In the event you do not wish to vote for any of the candidates on the ballot, you can put RON as your number 1 choice. To win, a candidate must reach quota, which is the total number of votes divided by 2 plus 1. In our election, there have been 1,000 votes, so quota is 501. The votes are counted in rounds. In round 1, we count the number of number 1 votes that all candidates have received. We can see here that Jim is the most popular candidate with 400 votes, but no candidate has reached the quota of 501. As no candidate has reached quota, we now eliminate the least popular candidate. In this case, this is Ron, who only got 125 votes. We then look at the ballots that have marked Ron as first choice candidate. Some of those ballots also have a second choice vote. We transfer these second choice votes to the relevant candidates and count the votes again. In round 2, Jim is still most popular with 425 votes, but still no candidate has reached quota. The least popular candidate is Gemma, who is eliminated and her votes are transferred to the next favourite candidate. This process continues until either one candidate reaches quota or only one candidate remains. If a candidate reaches quota, they're automatically elected. In our election, Bob didn't quite reach quota by the last round, but as he's the last candidate remaining, he's elected. For more information on AV, check out the Electoral Reform Society website or contact the returning officer in your students' union.